The Asus ChromeBook CX1 is a laptop computer that runs on the Chrome OS operating system. It features a 14-inch HD display, an Intel Celeron N3350 processor, 4GB of RAM, and 32GB of storage. It also includes two USB-C ports, two USB-A ports, a microSD card slot, and a headphone jack. As a Chromebook, the CX1 is designed primarily for web browsing, online productivity tools, and cloud-based applications. It comes with built-in access to Google's suite of apps, including Google Drive. One of the benefits of the CX1 is its long battery life, which can last up to 10 hours on a single charge. It also has a lightweight and slim design, making it easy to carry around. Overall, the Asus ChromeBook CX1 is a good as the Chrome Web Store, which offers a range of web-based applications.